Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 2 mobile. If you're seeing Roblox Error Code 2 on your mobile, it usually means the game failed to download or load data, often due to storage issues or corrupted files. Start with a quick fix by restarting the Roblox app or logging out and back in. Next, check your internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or reset your network to ensure assets can load properly. If the error persists, go to your device's settings, find Roblox in your apps, and clear the cache and data. Make sure you have at least 1 to 2 gigabytes of free storage by deleting unused apps or files. Also, verify that Roblox has all necessary permissions, especially for storage and network access. If none of these steps work, the most reliable solution is to uninstall and reinstall Roblox, which often resolves corrupted file issues and gets you back into the game smoothly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.